Hello, my beautiful people. It's your girl Delia Amy once again. Assuming you all know what lemon is and you've used it in one way or the other, I'll just be giving you 4 ways in which you can use the lemon fruit for skin brightening or for skin lightening. Before I give that, I'm going to talk about the benefits of lemon to your skin and not leaving out the possible side effects of lemon to your skin. If you're watching me for the first time, please remember to subscribe, take the notification bell and select all so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please don't leave without subscribing. For my returning subscribers, a mega shout out to you all. Remember to like this video. That is a way to encourage me, please, and drop a comment. Okay, you can either ask a question, give contribution, or maybe just give a review, your review about the content. That will be very helpful to me. So let's get into the video. We are going to start with the benefits of lemon to your skin. Okay, firstly, lemon contains antioxidant properties. The lemon juice contains natural vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Secondly, lemon contains astringent qualities. Due to its high pH level, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. Remember, our skin produces oil that is called sebum. And sebum, if your skin produces excess sebum, that is what leads to acne and inflammation. So when you use lemon to your skin, it helps to reduce the production of sebum, and also it helps to reduce inflammation, which will help to reduce the possibilities of you having acne or pimples on your face. Thirdly, lemon has antifungal properties. Okay, lemon contains antifungal as well as the ability to kill off candida fungus strands on the skin. Fourthly, lemon can help to lighten up the skin. Okay, it is used for skin lightening, and it can help to clear off dark spots, clear your pregnancy mask, okay, and gives you a brighter and even skin tone. Now, what are the possible side effects of lemon? Lemon is not recommended for sensitive skin type because of its high acidic content. If you have sensitive skin, make sure that you don't use lemon, okay? Because it can irritate your skin or it can lead to redness or possible burn your skin. So avoid lemon if you have a sensitive skin. Secondly, lemon reacts to sun. So if you apply lemon to your skin, no matter the skin type that you have, stay away from the sun. And I recommend that you use lemon at night, not during the day. Okay, so you cannot like unconsciously get into the sun with lemon on your skin. So whenever you're using lemon, endeavor to use it at sunset, okay, not when the sun is out. And thirdly, lemon can increase sunburn. Okay, it can increase the effects of sunburn. So if you have sunburn, make sure that if you're using lemon, avoid the area where you have the sunburn, because if you apply it there, it can lead to that. Lemon can also irritate the skin. Okay, it can irritate your skin. It can give you you can have this itchy feeling on your skin because of the acidic content. So make sure that before you use lemon, you do a patch test. Okay, do a patch test to know if your skin accepts lemon juice. Sorry, if your skin accepts acid, okay, or if your skin accepts the lemon. Do a patch test. You can watch a video on how to do a patch test. You will find the link in the description box below. So what are the 4 ways we can use lemon? They are like, it's not limited to the 4 ways, but I'm just going to mention 4 ways today on how you can use lemon for skin brightening. The first way you can use lemon for skin lightening or for skin brightening is as a toner. You can use lemon as a toner, okay? You wash your face clean, get a good quantity of lemon juice, squeeze lemon juice on your cotton, okay? Or you squeeze it in a container and dip in some cotton in it. Then you apply that to your skin or your face, wherever you want to clear up dark spots or any possible mark, or wherever you want the skin to be brighter. Just apply the lemon juice there, leave it for like 30 minutes, wash it off, and make sure that you moisturize your face very well. Secondly, lemon can be used for exfoliation. Okay, you can mix lemon with sugar and honey to exfoliate your face for a brighter, smoother, and softer face. It also helps to clear off acne, to clear off dark spots, and to also clear off pregnancy mask. Thirdly, lemon can be used for face mask. Okay, you can mix lemon with yogurt or lemon with turmeric and honey to make your face mask for a brighter skin. And the fourth way you can use lemon for skin brightening is you mix it with your lotion, okay? You get a good quantity of lotion and mix in a container. You can use that as your night cream. After taking a good shower, apply the lemon to your skin and then use it. Apply the cream to your skin and sleep all night. In the morning, make sure that you wash your skin before you leave the house. Don't take it to the sun. Okay, so you can combine these four ways to use them for more effective results. Like if you take a shower, okay, you can take a shower, you exfoliate your face. After exfoliating your face, you put the lemon as a toner to your face. You leave it for like 30 minutes, you rinse it off, then you apply now your cream. Now, caution, if you're using lemon, lemon can dry off the skin. Lemon can leave your skin dry. So make sure that after using lemon, you try to moisturize your skin very well. Use a good body cream, a good body lotion, or a good skin moisturizer to avoid the effects of dryness on your skin. Also, when you're using lemon as for exfoliation, make sure that you exfoliate your skin 3 times a week. Over exfoliation can instead damage your skin. So you can watch a video on how to exfoliate your skin. You find the link in the description box, okay? I did a video on that already. So you do make sure that you exfoliate your face 3 times, or your entire skin 3 times in a week. And then don't forget to use your lotion at night, not during the day. And above all, remember to do a patch test to be sure that lemon is good to your skin, that your skin accepts. Thank you so much for watching this far. A mega shout out to you all. God bless you. Please remember to keep coming. Don't forget to share as you're leaving, and remember to stay with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.